Dreamy days.
Hey friends! Today we are making a butterfly. So let's get started. First, we will make the body of the butterfly with its wings. We will make the bushes and some flowers. Then we will make a sun and some clouds. Now, it's time to fill colors. First, we color the body of the butterfly with light and dark brown. Then, we will fill the circles in the wings with yellow color. Now, we will color the big wings with pink and small wings with orange color. It's time to fill the clouds with blue color. Then, we will color the sun with yellow and orange colors. Now, we will color the flowers with pink, red, and dark blue color. It's time to fill the bushes with green color. Finally, we will color the sky with light blue color. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video!